Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but this year I have content planned out. I'm gonna try to get a video at least once a week, and we'll see where this goes. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. If you guys remember, we had the C10 build on the channel, Jake's C10, that we fully rebuilt in the driveway. Well, that thing caught on fire. So in today's video, we're gonna go get that and bring it back to his house. It's at his work right now. And I'm actually recording this the day after because I didn't have my GoPro yesterday to record any of it. And so the clips you guys are going to see are on my phone. Okay, so what happened was Jake was driving this truck and the gas line came off of the fuel rail and sprayed the headers, and then the truck just went up in flames. Picture right here. It's going to take a while to rebuild. Hopefully he'll have it done in maybe a year. Hopefully by next summer, it'll be ready to drive and take the shows and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to record the process on the channel, so that'll be one of the projects this year. And then we're going to obviously have content with the Mustang. I just got a new roof put on that. And then content with this bad boy. Definitely going to fix the rust on there and on the other side. So just got it all washed up. The weather is going to, of course, rain tomorrow because, you know, it always does. Right after you wash a car, it always rains. But today we had 60 degrees, sunny, beautiful day. Tomorrow is not going to be that great. So let's get going and pick up Jake's truck. Alright guys, so here's the truck all loaded up. I figured you guys saw us rebuild the engine in this truck, so we're going to do a whole rebuild series. Yeah, she's a little burnt. Show you the inside. Yeah, so get her all back up and running, and we'll see you at the drop-off location. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And hit the bell for the post notifications. I'm going to be posting every week. I'm looking forward to this C10 project. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on the roads. Don't mind this, you know.